It is actually typically confusing question. I made it like this. In this question, I want to understand a bit difference of project process groups and project lifecycle phases. And then I'm asking you when you write lesson learned. Based on the current concept of PMBOK, the right answer is option number D, because you collect the lesson learned throughout the project phases. So either you are gathering the requirements, or you are designing the project, or you are implementing the project, or you are gathering the feedback and implementing it. Whatever you are doing, whatever your actual phase based on your industry or environment, you have to document the lesson learned throughout the project. But if you look at the option number A, B and C, it gives you the concept of process groups. So at the start of project planning, so it's not about the concept of project phase, it's all about the planning process group. So when you use planning process group, either in phase number 1 or phase number N, you use previous project learning or previous phase learnings. So that's not the right answer because of this reason. Then during project execution, it might seem right, yes, because you write it, and PMBOK gives you the process, which is basically manage project knowledge, and you can see that during the project execution we are writing it. But actually, when you do the execution, it means when you are gathering the requirement, it is also an execution. When you are actually getting the go live, it's also an execution. It's not that you are mapping the life cycle phases versus the process group. So in this context, it is right, but not the right? And then option number C is also wrong because it says during the project and phase closure. That was the understanding since PMBOK 1 till PMBOK 5, that we are gathering or recording the lessons learned at the end of each phase or at the end of each project. But now we said no, we do it throughout the project. So option C is obviously the wrong choice. So we have contents between option number B and C, and both seems right, but the best right answer in this scenario is option number D. Throughout the project, you will be recording the lessons learned. Those who have answered it correctly through understanding, congratulations. For others, I hope it helped.